Final set together sa ating New Year's presentation ng Let's Talk, still with Honorable Janina, Carine, Medina, Fariñas. Ito muna, Ma'am Janine, marami kasi nagsasabi that you look like your father, the former mayor ng Vigan, si Sir Ferdy Medina.
Ganda niya.
Oh, yeah, magaling pa daddy mo eh. Pero ito muna, gusto ko lang malaman sa'yo na, what do you think? What do you have in common?
With my dad? Humor, obviously.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Pares kaming ng humor. Tapos I think, patience. Kasi parang my dad likes to listen first before. Tapos yun, parang yun easy-go-lucky attitude. Kasi my dad always approaches life na parang with a positive outlook palagi. So parang ganun kami. As a family, I think my dad brings that to the family.
Huwag masyadong dalhin yung burden na yan kasi kung the more anin mo yan, entertain mo yan. Pero mas close ka ba kay daddy mo o kay mami mo?
Ako magsiselo si daddy.
Ibig sabihin si mami?
Si mami. Mas gusto ko kay mami. Nung mas bata ako, I was told my mom, she's my best friend. Tapos, I think it's because I was the first girl. So, syempre, mas close yung girl sa mommy.
Yes.
Tapos, I can tell my mom everything and anything. Kasi, yun na nga, may similarities din kasi kami. Yung approach namin with people, service. Tapos, pares kaming mahilig sa crafts, yun yung bonding namin. A lot of people don't know. Pero my mom is a very creative person.
Sa family niyo, di ba tatlo kayo magkakapatid? The eldest
yung non-showbiz husband ni Mommy Sheila.
Yun. Tapos, parang mahiyain. Si Carlos din, your husband, parang mahiyain din daw. Is it true?
Oh. People always mistake kasi yung ex-boyfriend ko, husband ko na ngayon kasi ex-boyfriend. Kasi siya, he used to have long hair. He cut his hair recently. Pero, he used to have long hair, tapos yung goatee, tapos yung mustache. So, laging napagkakamalan na kung hindi man kontrabida, lagi siya napagkakamalan na suplado.
Okay.
Pero actually, hindi siya suplado. Yung tipong tahimik kasi talaga siya. Tapos mahiyain. Pero once you get to know him, it's very funny also. Tapos, yun, very hardworking. Then, most importantly, very responsible. As an employee, as a son, and as a brother, sobrang responsible. And as a husband pa rin pala.
Yeah. What about your sister? Ang bunso, si Joanna. Sa palagay mo, pareho ba kayo ng gusto? She also goes into public service, hindi kaya saan siya, mas business ba or ano yung mas gusto niya compare sa'yo?
Yung sister ko hindi siguro magpa-politics kasi minsan nga nami-mistake nila na dalawa lang kami kasi she doesn't like going out a lot, pero she studied environmental science. So, yun yung passion niya talaga. The environment and how to conserve it, how to preserve it, and how to clean it. So, yun yung, right now, she's working with the Manila Observatory as a researcher. I think that's what you call yung position niya. Yung sister ko naman, if we are similar, syempre, kasi we grew up, magkalapit lang yung age namin. Tapos, nun kasal, umiyak pa siya nung nag-speech siya. She's my maid of honor. So when she gave her maid of honor speech, umiyak siya. Kasi parang naalala niya na when we were younger, we found yung quote. Tapos sabi namin, oh my God, itong quote na to, para sa atin dalawa talaga. Kasi it says na...
Could you share that quote?
We are sisters by destiny, but we are best friends by choice.
Wow.
Diba, ang dami kong best friend. Best friend ko si Mami, best friend ko yung sister. Best friend ko yung si Daddy pag ganyan.
Okay, let's talk about before ka naging city councilor ng Vigan, you have this business called Laila's Cafe. Kumusta na ngayon to? May oras ka pa ba sa Laila, sa business mo? Now na public servant ka?
Yun yung naging mahirap. Kasi syempre, di ba, you need to balance your time. Tapos, plus, I was planning yung wedding din namin. So, talaga nahihirapan. Pero right now, we're trying to reinvent din, add more things. Plus, kasi nag-renovate din yung neighbor namin, sila Mami Sheila. So, gusto rin namin maybe, spruce it up, parang maiba naman yung itsura. Plus, add a few things pa, other than yung cafe itself. Pero yun, tapos yun na nga, it comes also with being married, newly married, na hindi na lang sa akin yun. So, yun, we're trying to work it together. Oh, tapos yun din, hire more people, kasi, yun na nga, like you said, mas busy na. So, we're trying to hire additional people, manager,
to manage it. So now, for you, ano ang mas kumbaga, mas mabigat or di kaya mas pabor sa'yo or mas gusto mong gawin ngayon? Politics, Laila's Cafe, or business? Housewife. Yun yung joke namin.
Hindi, actually joke talaga namin ni Carlos na parang kung mag-housewife na lang ako. I mean, not in any way naman nasasabi kong hindi mabuti mga housewife. It sounds like a good profession kasi di ba if you're a mom and a housewife, you're still doing something.
It is. Yes, it is.
And it's very fulfilling. Pero sabi ko, Carlos, baka maloka siya pag magreklamo ako ng wala akong ginagawa. So, I think right now, hindi pa sure kung politics or business. Kasi syempre, kung tatignan ko ngayon, politics. Kasi I'm here. I'm very ready to serve. I really like what I'm doing. Pero,
that's good.
Kailangan ko din i-consider after a while if it is what's best for sa aming mag-asawa.
Ano ang favorite na food? Pinagluluto mo ba si Carlos?
Oo.
Or the whole family na rin nila?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Pero
lahat sila inaasahan yun. I bake. I like baking. Tapos, actually, passion ko siya in high school. Tapos when I went into college na wala. Pero si Carlos kasi may sweet tooth. So, bumalik hanggang yun na. Nagbe-bake na ako regularly for them and for our family. Sometimes meron din sa cafe. Yung brownies doon, ako yung gumagawa. Pero, magluto, mahilig din, pero hindi kasi ako magaling sa Filipino food. Partly because magaling kasi yung manang namin sa bahay na magluto. So, hindi parang kung magluto ka ng Filipino food, tas hindi kasing sarap nun sa kanya, parang, diba?
Mahirap. Totoo yun. Hinahanap-hanap mo eh.
So, mas like, pasta, ganun. Although marunong naman ako ng Filipino food, pero hindi kasing sarap ni manang namin.
Kailangan pala kasama si Manang pagpunta ng Lawan. Okay, let's talk about, are we expecting babies soon? Is that 12 ba?
Sabi mo mataba ako. Hindi, joke. Hindi, babies hindi pa. Yun na nga, like what I said kanina, we were in a long distance relationship for a long time. So right now, we're trying to rediscover each other. Tapos yun din, time-wise, parang mahirap pa kasi we're both adjusting. Kasi kahit sabi mong July, ilan months na rin akong counselor, it's still an adjustment. Kasi you started it not prepared also, di ba? Kasi hindi ka naman tumakbo. So, you didn't have that 1 month to prepare. Unlike kung tumakbo ka.
May adjustments ka agad din eh. Tumakbo kasi alam mo na agad eh. But the thing is, tama nga yun. I-enjoy nyo muna yung bagong kasal, the husband and wife muna. Kasi pag tsak magka-baby kayo, medyo mahati uli yung attention.
Tsaka more importantly, kasi we're trying to save din. I mean, a lot of people say na hindi naman, not to be arrogant or mayabang, pero yung iba sinasabi, hindi nyo man kailangan mag-save. Pero yun na nga, it's not our money, diba? Parang gusto namin, yun, we have our own savings, we have our own stable income. So, I don't think there's anything wrong with planning for a life together with our children. So, right now, gusto namin munang paghandaan, pag-ipunan.
Yeah. Balik tayo lang konti, Ma'am Janina. Ano pa ang pwede mong maitulong dito sa vegan when it comes sa, sa mga improvement, o di kaya, or paano ka nakakatulong sa LGU ng vegan?